Have you ever pondered on the sheer power of Microsoft Excel? This humble spreadsheet application, part of the Microsoft Office suite, is much more than meets the eye. It's a veritable toolbox, brimming with features waiting to be discovered and harnessed. Today, we delve into the heart of Excel, exploring its capabilities and demonstrating just how to tap into its potential. Step 1 in using Excel is understanding its basic structure. Picture a massive grid composed of tiny cells. Each cell belongs to a row indicated by numbers and a column marked by letters. This is your playground, a world of data entry, calculations, and analysis. The power to organize and manipulate data rests at your fingertips. The second step invites us to enter data. Click on a cell, type in the information, and press enter. Simple, isn't it? But remember, Excel is more than a glorified notepad. It can handle numbers, dates, text, and more, making it a versatile tool for a myriad of tasks. Step 3 is where the magic truly begins. Excel is a mathematical wizard, capable of performing a wide range of calculations. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, Excel can do it all. But it doesn't stop there. It can also handle more complex calculations such as averages, percentages, and even statistical analyses. To use this feature, you simply start with an equals sign, followed by your formula. Press enter and watch Excel work its magic. Step 4 extends Excel's capabilities into the realm of charts and graphs. This is where data visualization comes into play. Excel can transform rows and columns of numbers into colorful, easy-to-understand visual representations. Pie charts, bar graphs, line charts, you name it, Excel can create it. To do this, select your data, navigate to the Insert tab, and choose your desired chart type. The fifth and final step is about making your work presentable. Excel offers a range of formatting options to make your data look as good as it works. You can adjust the size, color, and style of your cells, rows, and columns. You can also add borders, fill colors, and even conditional formatting rules that change the look of your cells based on their content. To sum it all up, Excel is a powerful tool that can do much more than simple data entry. It's a platform for organizing and manipulating data, performing a broad range of calculations, creating stunning visual representations, and making your work shine with a variety of formatting options. So the next time you find yourself staring at a blank Excel worksheet, remember, you're not just looking at a spreadsheet. You're looking at a world of possibilities waiting to be discovered.